Hello moneymakers. Did you know TikTok creativity program pays over $110 a day if you work consistently on this niche? Take a look at this TikTok page. They have more than 400k followers and some of their videos are getting more than 40 million views. You can calculate estimated earnings of this page by this data itself. I did a thorough research on this niche and found that this niche is famous in Spanish language, and there are plenty of Spanish pages on TikTok that are currently working on this niche. However, on the English language, I only found one page which I showed you. This information tells us there is a demand of content in this niche, and if we work on it now, we can earn more than $110 a day with TikTok creativity program. The question is, how we can create such videos, as many of you guys are not very technical with editing stuff. Therefore, your AI Maskman has researched and learned some easy techniques to create videos on this niche with the help of AI. Yes, you heard it right. Here I only share niches that can be worked with AI. So let's get started. Alright, let's start the video creation process. Firstly, we need to find intuition questions for our video. And for this, I'm going to download 2 or 3 Spanish videos from different channels and combine the questions from these videos for my own video. To download these videos, open Snaptic Video Downloader and paste the link. Now the issue is that all these videos are in Spanish and I am sure many of us don't understand Spanish. So don't worry, you have AI Maskman who knows how to use AI to do anything and everything, right? That's why I am known as AI Maskman. Open the AI transcription tool Oris, upload the video, choose the transcript option, select the video language, and hit upload. As a result, you will get the complete video script in Spanish language. Now all you have to do is open any language translator tool and convert this Spanish text into English language. This way you can transcribe any video script into English. Alternatively, you can also find many quiz questions from Google. There are so many articles available about intuition quiz questions with answers. So you can also take questions from there. Or you can also take help of any AI tool such as ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Alright, once you have transcribed the scripts of 2 or 3 videos, copy these scripts and paste them into Google Docs. Then, extract all the questions and choose 7 to 8 questions for your video. This way you can prepare unique questions for your video. So these are the questions which I'm going to use for the reference video. I also take some questions from Google. I have always shared my expertise and new ideas on this channel, as I have over 10 years of experience in content creation. I started off as a video editor, and then later I was managing big channels for my clients, from content planning to publishing videos. As a result, you can see that my channel has grown from 0 subscribers to what we are today. I have 5 more channels on different niche which I currently manage. Apart from my free content, if you are looking for a coaching or mentorship directly from myself, I am taking 5 new people this month to my coaching program, where on a live call I will teach you content creation business with AI. Also, you will get 1 year of support directly from myself through Skype. So if you are interested, you can email me or ping me on my Skype, which is mentioned in the description of this video. Alright, let's jump to the video creation process. But before that, we need to generate a voiceover for the video. You can use any voice generator tool. I will use 11 Labs for this. Let's copy this text and upload it in 11 Labs. After that, search for the voice. As we can see in this video, they are using an old man's voice for narration.
Which lip is man's lip? Trust your gut feeling.
So to find this type of voice, click on Voices and open the voice library. Then go to the filter and select the old option from the age section. Here you will find many different voices. Choose which the one you like most and put it into the voice lab.
We do not quit playing because we grow old.
Be here now. Be someplace else later. Is that...
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically...
After choosing a voice, hit Generate and download it to your computer. Alright, let's move to the final step. This is the important step of this process, so stay tuned with me till the last. Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway. Now to create a video, I will use Canva. Open Canva and choose a mobile video icon from the dashboard. After that, click on Design and search for the quiz template. So here you will find many ready-made templates which you can use as a background. Or you can also create your own using different elements. I will choose this one for my video. Now let's delete all the elements from the template and then add borders into this. You can add anything, whatever you want to add. I will choose this one. You can also change the color and size of the border also. Now let's add an intuition quiz sign into the page. For this, go to the elements and search for the intuition sign. So here you will get many graphics. I will go for this. All right, now let's go back to the Google Docs and copy the first question. Then click on text and add a text box. After that, enter the first question. Then from here you can also change fonts, colors and size. Set this text box in the middle of the page. After that, add images related to the question. To add the image, go to the elements and search anything which you want to add. So according to my question, I will search for the lip images of men and women. Here, some of the images are only for the pro user, so you can find the related images in Google also and upload it into Canva. And try to add that type of image that confuses people. If you're unable to decide what type of images you have to add, check the reference video and get the idea from there. Next, we need to apply a dark effect to all these images because when we ask the first question, we'll keep all the images like that to confuse the people. And for this, click on Edit Photo, go to the filters and choose one of the dark filters from these available options. Now we need to add a timer graphic to this video. Go to the elements and search for the timer. So there are several timer available in Canva. Choose one of this and add this timer into circle frame. And place this timer below the image. Now we need to make sure that the timer should appear after the question. But before that, let's upload the voiceover track into the Canva and add it into the timeline. Then split the audio track after the one question is completed. Alright, to set the timing of time graphic, click on this Show Timing option. So here you will be able to see the purple line on the top of the timeline. It represents the appearing time of the timer graphic. Drag this bar till the question is completed.
Which lip is woman lip?
Also set the first page timing up to 6 seconds. Now duplicate this page and remove the black effect from the correct image. Also remove the timer graphic from the second page. To attract the viewers, add animation to the whole page so your video will look interesting. Also add different types of sound effects from the Canva audio library. For example, here I will add a timer sound when the timer graphic appears. Then add notification sound when the second page will appear.
Which lip is woman lip?
This is how it will look. Alright, now set the answer page up to 2 seconds or up to 1.5, it depends on your question. Now again, duplicate this page and follow the same process till the last question. And when you are done with editing the whole video, go to the audio library and search for the piano. And add any of this music into the timeline. Also, try to include that type of questions and answers in such a way that people share your video as much as possible. For an example, here I will add this question: who will never betray you? And in the answer I will write the person when you click on share and the third person when click on share. So this is how the number share is also increased in your video. Now to download the video, click on share and download the video. If you are using Canva audio library music, you have to add your social account with it, so you don't have to face any copyright issue in future. This way you can create many intuition quiz videos and upload them to different platforms. I work really hard to bring new niches and ideas to make money online for you. Before I create any video, I personally test that niche and check if that is working or not, due to which we can't publish a lot of videos like other channel does. Even after putting in this much of hard work, more than 92% of our audience don't even subscribe to our channel, as you can see on our channel analytics. Therefore, I request you to please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, now let's have a look at our video which we created in Canva.
Which lip is woman lip? Intuition test. Don't overthink. Trust your guts. What is the color of this eye? What color t-shirt is she wearing? Which light bulb will light? Who will never betray you? Where is the rabbit? Follow to discover more intuition tests.